people. I'm in Secupira at a local place, very local, where you could buy stuff relatively cheap. I'm here with my friend who introduce. Mas vos chama?
Stonibus.
Stonibus. Tipo fish. A mim bem, combo, li.
Secupira.
Sim, já disse. Plan, isso já em inglês. Yeah, so there's two purposes to this video. Initially it was one purpose, but you need to stick to the end. It's really, I think it's quite informative. This one just came along because I wanted to showcase, since we're doing this already, how much it costs to get something local. So you see, you got the beef, you got the egg, rice, fries, and got a little bit of salad, and that costs quanto?
200 paus.
200 paus, which is roughly $2.
Nem tem Congo, nem tem Congo.
Congo? Cozé Congo.
Pinto. Feijoada.
Mais a feijoada, plus the beans, aka feijoada or Congo, and it's for $2. And when we go on the way back, I'm going to record something, and at the end of that portion, I want to make a point that's very important. Deuces. Quebra-mola.
Maligayang ano pro? Oi.
Alright, so we're walking back. Now I want you to pay attention to the people. Tudo bem? So during normal times, or pre, I don't like to say the word because YouTube's artificial intelligence flags every time you say certain words. The YouTube police come after you. But this is really empty. Before it would be like really busy. Irrespective of that, yeah, I lost chain of thought.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. So, que era a tua opinião? Antes da Covid isto não estava mais movimentado?
Antes do vídeo.
Yeah.
Claro, antes do vídeo que tinha no braço. Tinha no máscara na roça. A gente trabalhava normal.
Yeah, mas diz-me a mim.
Há pouco.
Aqui todas, eu estou a ver uma funcionária com máscara e um cliente, não, duas pessoas com máscaras. Mas a pergunta é, se achas que Secupira está menos movimentado antes do Covid?
Muito mais, menos movimentado.
Muito menos.
Muito
por exemplo, se viéssemos hoje há 2 anos, isto estaria cheio de gente, verdade?
Há muita frequentação.
Exatamente.
E produtos vai sair muito mais. Vai
Havia mais
vender
produtos também.
Vai vender muito mais.
Pois. So, in essence, you agree with me that this is much less busier. Alright, we are stepping out, and the point that I wanted to make is that I haven't seen. I think you wanted me to. Anyway, the point that I wanted to make was you saw the images that I saw, same images, and there was essentially nobody wearing masks. And I don't see anybody dying like dead flies, all this panic, all this FUD created by the mainstream media back home. Now the healthcare system here is not the same as back home, yet I don't see all these people dying like flies like they report back home. So there's one last thing, and to me it's very simple. It's called EUA, Emergency Youth Authorization. All right, when you have that kind of approval with vaccines, that means you have no judicial recourse. In other words, if you become infertile, if you become paralyzed, if something happens to you as a side reaction to the vaccine, you have no judicial recourse, meaning so you have everything to lose. They got nothing to lose. If something happens to you, God forbid you take the vaccine, if something happens to you, I mean, you're not going to die or have something like happen to you within 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, in 2 hours. It's going to take at least a week, or in some people's cases, 48 hours. So I just wanted to point that out. All this mask, these vaccine mandates are BS. I'm sorry to say, and it's a complete violation of somebody's right to choose to make an informed decision. It's against the oath that doctors make between a patient and a doctor. It's against the Nuremberg, against international law. Anyway, I'm done. You saw Secupira, and that's it. Deuces.